The new HPV test is changing the way women are being screened for cervical cancer, as the tests are less frequent and don't start until women turn 25. Lisa Ashton from the Cervical Cancer Foundation says that Australia is actually the most overscreened country in the world, and the Pap test every 2 years, as opposed to 5, is actually doing more harm than good.
They're actually over-treating women. They're sending women for colposcopies and treatment that the body would have resolved that virus. 80% of us will get the human papilloma virus at some point in our life, and for most of us, our body will just get rid of that virus. It's like the common cold of being sexually active.
These new tests will detect the HPV virus, which causes cancer, before the abnormal cells develop. Studies have predicted that in fact 15% less women will die from cervical cancer. But what about those women under 25?
The number of women with cervical cancer who are under 25 has not changed. So the Pap smear program has actually not helped those women at all. Often it's symptomatic. It's often picked up through symptoms, not through the Pap smear.
Sarah Marie Cameron was diagnosed with cervical cancer when she was only 22, but it wasn't the Pap smear test that saved her life.
I had maintained regular Pap tests, never returned any abnormal results for HPV or anything otherwise, and then I started to experience abnormal pain, bleeding, a few of the symptoms. It wasn't something that they immediately started investigating, but I had to be quite definitive in that this was different.
It was her relationship with her GP. From XYZ, Rachel O'Connor reporting.